Where does the word whiskey come from? It's Gaelic. Whether you drink it neat on the rocks or you absolutely ruin it with some form of cola, the source is all the same for the word whiskey. It originates from the Gaelic phrase uisce beatha, which translates to water of life. I'm not kidding, these ancient people decided that this should be called water of life. And they were correct. If we dig further back, historians say uisce beatha, spelled with a C, was the name Irish monks from the early Middle Ages used for what we now call whiskey, and that they adopted the phrase as a direct translation of the Latin aqua vitae, water of life, which you'll also find in the French eau de vie and aquavit across Scandinavia, which I've probably said wrong. Then when Middle Irish splits into the separate languages of Irish, Manx and Scots Gaelic, distillers here in Scotland spelled uisce with a G, eventually losing the behe because as humans we love shortening long phrases, and then uisce over hundreds of years becomes whiskey. So if you are having a dram over the weekend, raise a glass to our Gaelic ancestors. They knew what was up. Oh, and if you are wondering, I am drinking an Ardbeg Ugadal. It's one of my favourites, Gumatoichoch ach Giroch Miroljoch. Sláinte. Perfection.